Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and I'm back in the kitchen. I have we have a birthday party. We're celebrating once a month. We do a little finger food type thing at work for all the birthdays in the month. So tomorrow is that day for the birthdays. So I was going to show y'all what I'm making. That's what I've made before, but not on video. So I'm going to turn y'all around. It's going to be a cherry, we call it cream cheesecake, but it's actually a pie. Why they call it a cheesecake, I don't know. But anyway, so it's cherry cheesecake. Instead of strawberry this time, it's going to be cherry. But you make them the same way, you just change your toppings. So, do I have y'all crooked? Let's see. And it's backwards for me, so I am sorry. This is some of my yummies from Miss Monique. And then I have another stash in there. So, as you can see, we're opening them and, you know, eating a little at a time so that I don't gain my weight back. I'm 21 pounds down and about 20 or so to go. So, we're just eating the little sweets. A little at a time. All right, so we have a pie crust, and I'll show you. This one is just a graham cracker pie crust. I'm taking it to work. Now, I prefer really the pecan. Everybody may not have like pecans and all, and nuts and stuff, so I'm going to take the graham cracker, but when I make them for me, in which we'll do some for the July 4th, I'm going to make them with the nuts, the pecan crust, rather. So, we have our pie crust here, and usually I make 2 at a time, and then I put half of the can of topping on top of one, and then the other half on the other pie. So, we have, what's going in the pie is cream cheese, and I have dumped it in here. I'm kind of in a hurry because I had to go grocery shopping when I got off work. So I got home late. I still got to do supper. So we're going to use 1 whole bar of cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, a whole can. We're going to use 1/3. Y'all can see that. There it is. 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And I forgot to get that out. But that is a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. So I've already put my cheese in here, and I did put it in the microwave about 30 seconds. I don't like to do that, but listen, Linda. I've got to get this done. Then I'm going to take some meatballs tomorrow. So I'm just going to pour my condensed milk in here, and I've got to get supper ready. So all the things. This stuff is so yummy. It's sticky, but it is so good. I will not be having any of this tomorrow. So, but I've made them enough times. I know it's gonna be so good. Y'all, growing up, this was my favorite dessert. I prefer the strawberry or the blueberry pie filling on top, but I am out of both of those. And the one that I took from Miss Judy earlier this month, so she's getting 2 this month. She loves these. She got strawberry, so we have our cream cheese, we have our sweetened condensed milk. Now we're going to take our lemon juice And y'all, this recipe's not mine. It was on the back of a pie crust one time. So that's where I got it from, back of a pie crust. I guess you could say my mom too, because that's where she got it, I guess, and she always made these. Okay, so we got our lemon juice, and that's just regular lemon juice. And this is just some vanilla extract. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon. Make sure it's heaping. Because I like the little vanilla taste in it. Okay, this may be loud just for a little bit. Maybe it won't be too loud. I'll try to get it to hurry. Oh, I used to love when I was a kid. I love to lick these beaters. Getting all this yummy stuff that's on the sides. Make sure all of this. Now sometimes when you put your cream cheese in the microwave, I did mine for only 30 seconds, but sometimes it'll make them lumpy and stuff. This one doesn't seem too lumpy, so that's a good thing. That's what I was worried about, it being so lumpy. But, you know, if I was gonna make 2 pies, you can, especially, I like to get the large pie crust. And if you're gonna do 2 pies, you can do just this and dump you anywhere from 3/4 to a whole tub of Cool Whip or whipping cream, whichever one you want, in there, and then that'll make 2 pies. So just a little tip. Turn it back down, and we're gonna get our pie crust. See how soft that is? I'm gonna wait till in the morning to open my can of cherries and just put about 1/2 of a can on the top, and it will be full. Gotta get all this goodness out of here. Some good old blueberries would be so good on that. Or strawberries. I can have blueberries and strawberries. You have a pie. You can, but I don't want to ruin the diet this soon. Not when I'm about halfway. I want to lose about 24, 23 more pounds. So almost halfway. Little pounders. Scrape that all off of there. Scoop it. So this, you see how it's a little jiggly? If I put this on there, it just make it heavy. So I'm going to put the lid back on, just like this. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to set this can in the refrigerator and get these cold. And that way in the morning when I put them on the pie, they're already cold. And I will be back in the morning, I guess, to show y'all. Holders get, ooh, loose, it don't mess stay up. Uh-oh. Anyway, y'all ain't got time for that. I'll show y'all what this looks like in the morning when I'm done and fixing to take it to work. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's not a recipe that I came up with. It's just one that I found on the back of a pie crust one time, and I love it. I've made it for years. The kids love it. My husband loves it. I love it. My mom always made it, so it's just, you know, something good. And y'all might have already know how to make this one, and maybe you don't. And if you don't, then you have a new recipe. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the morning. Bye. Back. Okay. I'm fixing to put the cherries on. So turn it down. And the cherries are cold. They've been in the refrigerator. And so I'm just going to dab them out. Looks like all the cherries are on top here. Or it may just be a full can of cherries. Just going to spread them out. It's going to be so yummy. Okay. They will be happy to get this. It's always a great kit. My husband's like, you only made one? Not good, but made one. Yeah, I don't know if it's more, but they'll get made next week. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And that's what we call a cherry cheesecake, but it's really a pie. Why, I don't know. I guess some of them are more firm and they just, the store-bought, and they don't taste really good. So anyway, that's how I make my cheesecakes. And the only option I ever change is if I add some Cool Whip in it and split it into 2 pies. And it's good both ways. I like it both ways. So anyway, that's it, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's, you know, not my recipe, but I got it off the back of a pie crust. So I'm sure that many have done this, but that's how I make mine. So thank y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I'm off to work and get to crafting. Make something beautiful and share your pictures over on Facebook, Rachel's Unique Crafts, VIP. Comment, let me know if y'all like these kind of cheesecakes or not. So I will see y'all next time. Remember, I love you all. Bye-bye.